I got my light with me. Now I want to set it up. I lock down my tripod stand. I loosen up my bolt and I raise it to the maximum height I want. And then I take this one and I do the same. It stands just about 6 feet tall. I am 6 feet tall, as you can see. Just about 6 feet. I got enough cord that I could plug it in. Ooh, baby, one light is on and this thing is super bright. I'll give you an idea of one light on, and I'll give you an idea of two lights on. I'll turn it around to light up the whole area for you. Well, that is super duper bright. One light off, the other light off. UFOND is a utility light, not just one light, two lights. And you can use this anywhere imaginable. Outside, rooftop, basement, boiler room, you name it where you need light. Let's open it up, show you what you get inside. This kit is not a lightweight kit. It's got some weight with the LED lights that you get. It is 110 volts. They're both attached together. They need just a little bit of assembly. Let's get started. Don't forget the washer and lock washer, and they go on. They simply match up with the nut that's inside the unit and the C-clamp. There's this bar that you simply, again, you loosen up your thumb bolt. You lift up, place in this bar right here. I have just the ceiling light on, and I'm going to turn one of these lights on and shut the actual light off so you can see how nice and bright one light will do. This thing is really powerful indeed. Please check out the description online for all the information. I'm going to turn the light around so you can see how bright it lights up the area. And I'm going to put this second one on for you. And that, I don't even want to open my eyes. It's foldable by counterclockwise, lefty-loosey, dropping it down, tightening up the plastic, and lowering this down, making it very compact. I want to wrap my cord up. You simply just find the bottom base and you start wrapping. Two very powerful lights to do your work, and they will draw some amperage on power. This is a choice you're going to have to make for your light system utility stand. I hope you enjoy your product if this is right for you.